educational purposes only channel. No children.
Good afternoon, Groomies. Sunday, July the 26th. And I'm cleaning up all the ladies. I'll get you out of the sun here in just a second. And I'll show you what I was talking about. I always like to take the branches off of the undersides of the plant. That's why I try to twist them and stuff. But I took these three off the underside over there. They're fairly good size, but they were never going to make it to the first net. And I'll show you what I was talking about. Okay, dokie. That was hard trying to get you some good light. And I took those three. There's one hiding down there underneath that leaf. Oh. I took those three off. That one there, I let go. Because it's coming on around and doing okay, fairly good sized stem. Whew. I took everything below the net that wasn't through the screen. Everything. Now all that energy is going to the top. Wee doggy. It's getting warm out here. Prepared for him, looking fine as can. Oh. So I left that one because it's up through the deck. Ooh. Clean her up. Now let's take a look at Miss K's here before I jump on her. Ooh. I'll get Miss K's done. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Mr. Man's blueberry, she ain't gonna take a lot. I'm just gonna take everything that is not above that deck, which ain't a whole lot. So I'll get it done pretty quick. Look at that fat ass on Miss K's girl. Hey, doggy. She's getting ready to get waxed. Yeah. What, buddy? Huh? What do you want, man? Yeah. Come see me. Yeah. Come see me, baby. See there, what I'm talking about, them underside ones. We're on Miss K's Rock Melon Haze. I should have cut it off a long time ago. Then this is a little clusterfuck, a little dark area. Again, underside one. Boom, a lot more area. Not clusterfucked. Cut my damn net. Damn it. Do it every year. Almost done with Miss K's. I gotta get over there on the other side. Look at that caboose on that thing. Here, I'll show you the main, the top of the main. I don't know if you can see that. That gnarly twist there. So I twisted. And that's the main. Goes all the way over there. I'm gonna let it go, but there will be plenty of little stuff like that there that'll be coming off later. I'll let them ride now. They're above the net. Dag nabbit. My camera froze up. Now I'm going to in-shot it. Oops, almost dropped you. And I think that is it for Miss K's. She is good to grow. I uncovered some predators when I was doing all that. So we'll get some good coverage with the IPM tonight. I'm not going to fuck with Blueberry. I'm going to call it a wrap. We'll jump on Blueberry tomorrow. Have a fantastic day, my friend. I appreciate you muchly. I'm out of here. Peace.